Are you ready to transform your fear of failure into fiery fuel for success? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Please watch till the end and you will walk away with some helpful tips that will encourage you to persevere even though you are scared of failing or think you're not good enough or that imposter syndrome is just fully taken over. For those of you that don't know, my name is Amber and I am the Passive Income Mama, and I like to help parents leave their 9-to-5 nightmare and create financial freedom through setting up online businesses. If this content interests you, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I create a video. With that, let's jump into it. 5 tips that will help you overcome the fear of failure. Let's start by first acknowledging that fear of failure is 100% real and completely normal. It's that voice inside your head that says, what if I mess up? What if I'm not good enough? Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to success. So let's embrace it, shall we? Start by reframing failure. Instead of viewing failure as a negative outcome, view it as valuable feedback that helps you learn and grow. Every setback is an opportunity to refine your skill and your approach and move closer to your goals. Visualize success. Take a moment to envision yourself achieving your goals and living your dream life. Visualization can help you rewire your brain for success and boost your confidence in your ability to overcome obstacles. Take action despite your fears. Do not let fear paralyze you into inaction. Instead, take small calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act in spite of it. Try shifting your focus away from external factors that are beyond your control and concentrate only on actions and decisions that are within your power. Also, be kind to yourself, especially when things don't go as planned. Treat yourself with the same respect, kindness, and understanding that you would a friend that was going through a similar challenge. Remember, you're doing the best you can, and that's more than enough. I hope these tips help you overcome some of the failure that's holding you back from starting your online business, getting you on your way to financial freedom. If this was at all helpful, hit that like button. If you have any tips for the rest of us, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. We'll talk to you next time.